Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I will show you how you can apply the split screen effect to your video clips on CapCut PC or on laptop. So let's get started. Now guys, start a new video project, add a couple of video clips to your library by clicking on that import button here, and next place the first video clip you would like to use for your video here on your timeline. And after that guys, let's say I would like to add a second video and would like that second video to appear somewhere here in the bottom right corner of the frame, so that the entire frame is split between one and a second video clip. So simply select the second video clip from your library and move it on the video track here above your first video clip, just like that. After that, adjust the duration of both video clips. So for instance, that they both align with each other. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply resize the second video clip. You can do that by selecting it on your timeline here with your left mouse, and after that, simply left click and hold your mouse on one of the edges or corners of that video clip here in the preview window and adjust its size manually, just like that. After that, simply position it where you would like it to be. Like I would like it to appear here in the bottom right corner of the frame, just like that. So let me play the entire video in the preview. As you can see now, the screen is split between the first and the second video clip. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.